Alright, let's go over how to check your battery capacity. Now, if you have a big battery, okay, and this is specific for these. I mean, we're not going to get a multimeter out and check all that. No, click that button there, that low battery button, and that'll show you how full it is. So this one's supposed to be fully charged. It's sitting here for a few days. Well, I don't know. That one might have been sitting there for a few weeks. This one's been sitting here for, I don't know. This one we just put back on charge last night, and well, the lights turned off, so she is good to go. Now, one thing, if you do want to extend the life of your battery, they do come with this little charger here. I don't use that. I mean, you can if you have to, if that's what you got. Get that line right up. If that's what you have. But like, you put that on, it's going to be charging. It's trying to charge this battery. That's probably a bad idea. So what Hart did is they, and most tool companies, not just specifically Hart, get a trickle charger. That way, she will turn off whenever it's fully charged.